From the inside, it looks like any ordinary journey. But this is Valladolid in Spain, and this is no ordinary coach. It's a blood donation bus. Today, the bus is staying away from the small and cobbled towns and parking at the university centre, perfect for picking up wandering students and accidental passers-by.
Pedro, buenos días. Siéntese ahí, por favor.
But nurses need not worry about donors showing up. Like Pedro and Manuela, they've been alerted the bus is in town.
They sent me a message on my mobile, and I knew it would be here as I've donated from this location before, so I came.
Manuela's message has been created by Sendex, a mobile messaging service provider more than 1,000 miles away in Nottingham, England.
I think in the early days there was a sense that SMS was perhaps for children. Texting wasn't necessarily a valid way for businesses to communicate. I think everybody sees that now that it is a very useful way of communicating.
The company was founded 11 years ago. Today it continues to provide the means for clients to send a text message. And with 17,000 customers spread throughout Europe, Sendex has had to learn to be international.
There are regulations in each of the markets which we need to adhere to. France has some particularly onerous rules around spam messaging. But we need to be very careful to make sure that people are opted in to receive particular messages in France, for example.
Even in the midst of an economic crisis in Europe, the company is signing up more international customers than ever before, as companies look to innovate their way out of trouble.
What we are seeing in Spain, perhaps one of the economies in Europe with the toughest times at the moment, that a huge number of people are coming to SMS. We're signing up more customers in Spain than we are in any other market at the moment.
The template message they provide is simple, with date, location and time. Here in Spain, donors received the SMS the night before. Maria Jose, who just donated blood, was one such targeted donor. The benefits of a simple SMS are huge for a company like this one. For years, they sent out 500,000 letters reminding people to donate blood, but that cost them $267,000. By making a switch to a text messaging service, the company has been able to dramatically reduce their costs to just $38,000. Those savings mean there's more money for medical research, and with extra cash, the company can innovate by sending much more targeted SMS messages.
We send some text messages to thank them. We give them the analytic, when it's okay, the analytic. And then when we see that our stocks are getting lower, we're going to send some text message to this target of donors.
It's this innovation that has Spanish businesses turning to Sendex. Last year, their turnover totaled $15 million, with Spain accounting for 15% of those sales. From July to December alone, their business in the Spanish market grew 39%. So despite the needles, this is for Sendex and client alike a painless yet profitable business strategy.